Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by s squared. So the square root of s squared, we have s. This one we can do another factorization by s. Now s divided by s, we simplify it. When s approaches to positive infinity, number 1 divided by positive infinity, you got number 0. Similar for this one. And now we have the final answer. So we have the square root of number 3 over number 6. This is the end. Thank you for watching.